Hi everyone! Welcome back to my another makeup tutorial video. So today we're gonna do a smoky orange makeup look for the summer of 2026. I don't care on the weekends and it doesn't even matter because we can do what we want. But at least one time or at least an hour just to get out of the house Monday through Friday. Only if I don't have school. That's fine. Yeah, go ahead, get some fresh air, gotta move, gotta get some exercise, and that's okay. At least I can still do what I want, but it's just that I gotta get out of the house just for a little bit, just to get some exercise, and of course get fresh air. That way we can just move around, then just sit home all day, watching TV or do this, do that. Let me tell you why I have not posted videos on my main YouTube channel since July 4th. I was supposed to go to Point Pleasant on Thursday to make that vlog up from Sunday, but unfortunately it went wrong because of the rain conditions. I had to deal with the rain situation, saying that there's gonna be several thunderstorms and this and that. So I was supposed to go last Thursday, July the 9th, to make that up from July the 5th. So I could do night 2 and pretend like it's 4th of July, because they had to postpone the fireworks show because of the weather conditions, the situation with the thunderstorm. So I was supposed to go, but it went wrong because I thought it's gonna be sunny and no rain, but unfortunately it went wrong. But I'll try to go this Thursday. Hopefully the weather permits. And I said earlier that I had to make a promise to make sure I'm vlogging more, because I just don't want to do less than one vlog in the summer. Then otherwise I'm not gonna be able to have more views, get more views, more audience, this and that. But I'm gonna try my best to do it, so stay tuned. You gotta go check out my vlogs. If you want to do that, yeah, go ahead and check it out. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos that I post. By the way, I want to go with this palette first. So I'm gonna go with this orange color, which is pretty cool. Represents the sunset sky color, which I saw it before like millions and millions of times when it comes to sunsets in the summer. And by the way, I'm willing to go out tomorrow because I had to get my ass out of the house just to get fresh air. And not only that, just at least one time to go out on Monday to Friday. And again, Saturdays and Sundays, does not matter. Do what you want. Want to go out, that's fine. If not, that's okay. That is totally okay. Just relax, take a nap, and I'll just keep doing what makes me happy. Now we're gonna take this palette and go with this orange color that almost matches the blouse I'm wearing. The ones I wore, I think the last time I wore it since 2024, but then I haven't worn it ever since. I just love doing my makeup in the summer because I love doing all the colors of the eyeshadows. I love all the colors of the makeup because it reminds me of the paint box, because I love to paint, so that's cool. I love to paint pictures and seeing different colors because I love the colors of the paint, which also reminds me of the colors of the makeup that I always like to do. Because I love putting on different colors of eyeshadow, especially lips as well, lipstick, whatever lip products I use. By the way, ignore my hair, ignore my bangs, just because I washed my hair today. And because I already blow dry my hair. I didn't blow dry my bangs yet, so just kindly ignore it until I'm done with my makeup, alright? Because there is no damn way I'm just gonna do social media, let's say, make a TikTok, do another YouTube video if I want to, and post pictures for the Instagram with all this messy hair, thinking that if I have a bad hair day, I wouldn't do that. And if you're wondering what lashes I'm going to be wearing today, is this brand. So I'm going to wear these lashes, so come back for the final eye look and then I'll do the lips. Alright, so I did the lashes. Now I'm going to just do lips. So I'm going to go with this pink lipstick called Pink Promise from Revlon. Now, an orange lipstick from L'Oreal called Volcanic. So I want to make sure this color matches my eyeshadow. Okay, so I finished my makeup, so keep watching for the final hair look. This took me forever, so this is the final makeup look and final hair look. Looks absolutely cool. I like this hairstyle. Okay, so thank you all for watching this tutorial video. If you want to see more from me, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay up to date on what I've been posting lately. Alright, so if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. Alright, so thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye!